Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
You gonna put him in the driver's seat?
You sit in the driver's seat?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, you want me to sit here?
Oh, what's that?
That horn won't work.
Hayden. Oh, they disabled the horn. Never mind.
All right, you ready to get out?
No.
We're gonna go around the other side.
We go see something else?
There's not a line for this one, so let him hang out for a second. Oh, your blinker's turning on.
You want to go see the big bulldozer right there? You want to check that out?
They could bulldoze like 100 of you, Hayden.
Wow. Daddy.
You could sit in that tire.
Look at Daddy. Hayden, look at Daddy.
Hayden. Hayden.
Look at Daddy.
Hi. I bet his butt is filthy.
We're gonna go home. Come on. Go home. Come on. Follow me. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi. Blow the horn, Hayden.
Can you honk the horn?
Honk the horn.
Push this. Push the middle. The middle. Push it hard. Push hard. That was kind of hard to honk. All right, buddy. Let's go look at the garbage truck.
It's a flying saucer. JT.
Are you watching him over there?
Flying saucer.
He's going over the other side.
You can slide.
Oh, I see you.
So they can sort of like be on the same wavelength. You know, especially
Hello.
because you still trying to
Hi.
I think you already sent some, right?
It's a big moving truck. Yeah. You gotta wait your turn, Hayden. Mommy's holding your place in line. It's a big tire.
He's grouchy. Can you reach the horn? Can you reach that up there? Show you how to do the horn. See it? Fuck. Fuck. No. Come on, we gotta get out now.